It is not the critic that counts. The credit belongs to the person who is actually in the arena, whose face is marred by dust, sweat, and blood, who strives valiantly, who errs, who comes short again and again, because there is no effort without error. And if he fails, at least he fails while daring greatly. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below to start the conversation or let me know how you liked the video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like these. Check out my Facebook page and my website linked below for more ongoing positive content.